What if the age on your driver's license didn't have to match how your body feels on the inside? For decades, we've just accepted that aging means a steady decline. That feeling more tired, getting sick a little more often, and just generally slowing down is an inevitable part of life. But what if that whole story is being rewritten? What if you could feel younger from the inside out, without spending a fortune on strange treatments or complicated therapies? What if the key to helping your heart, your brain, and your other vital organs feel younger was already in your hands? In this video, we're going to look at some simple, science-backed lifestyle changes that are helping seniors rejuvenate their bodies. We'll break down 3 ideas that could completely change the way you think about getting older. The first big idea isn't a pill or a machine, it's a totally new way of understanding how aging actually works. For the longest time, we thought our DNA was our destiny. But a fascinating field called epigenetics is proving that's not the whole story. Think of your DNA as the computer hardware, it's more or less fixed. But your epigenome is the software. It tells your genes when to switch on and when to switch off. Incredible research from places like Harvard Medical School has shown that as we age, this software can get a little buggy, causing our cells to not work as well as they used to. That's what we feel as aging. But here's the amazing part, you can help reboot that software. An exciting pilot study from 2021 gave us a glimpse of what's possible. In the study, a small group of men was able to roll back their biological age by over 3 years in just 8 weeks through specific diet and lifestyle changes. Now, this was an early study, but it points to something incredible. We have more control over our own aging process than we ever thought possible. So, how do we start that reboot? That brings us to our next point. You've heard for years how important a good diet is. But we're now learning that certain ways of eating are directly linked to slowing down the aging of our organs. One of the most powerful approaches that researchers have identified is adopting a Mediterranean style of eating. And don't worry, this isn't about harsh restrictions. It's a way of eating that's full of delicious fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats like olive oil, and focuses more on fish than red meat. Large studies show this does more than just help with weight. It has been shown to directly support brain health and protect the connections between our brain cells as we get older. In fact, one recent analysis found that improving diet had the biggest overall effect on slowing down biological aging. It works by calming down 2 of the main things that make our organs age: chronic inflammation and oxidative stress. Foods packed with natural compounds called polyphenols, found in things like berries, green tea, and even spices like turmeric, have been shown to directly help repair that cellular software we were just talking about. It's incredible to think that what's on your plate has that much power. And the next idea is just as empowering. But before we get to it, if you're finding this useful, please take a second to hit that like button and subscribe. We work hard to bring you the latest, science-backed information to help you live your best life. Our third discovery is that certain kinds of movement can help shave years off your biological age. While pretty much any activity is good for you, the science points to a powerful combination of aerobic exercise and strength training. You don't have to start training for a marathon. Research from Brigham Young University found that just 30 to 40 minutes of brisk activity, 5 days a week, was linked to a biological age that was 9 years younger than people who were sedentary. Brisk just means your heart rate is up and it would be a little tough to hold a full conversation. That could be a fast walk, a bike ride, swimming, or a fun dance class. This type of activity boosts blood flow, lowers the risk of heart disease, and helps your body clear out old, damaged cells that contribute to aging. But don't forget about strength. After age 40, we can lose a lot of muscle mass each decade, which weakens our bodies and slows down our metabolism. Adding just 2 strength training sessions a week, using weights, bands, or even your own body weight, helps stop that from happening. It keeps your bones strong, improves your balance, and helps regulate blood sugar. Studies have even shown that moderate intensity resistance training can be a powerful tool for helping to lower blood pressure. So, what's the big takeaway here? Aging isn't some fixed destiny we have to accept. It's a process we can actively influence. You have the power to help reboot your own cellular software. By choosing a diet filled with real, life-giving foods and moving your body with purpose, you are taking an active role in your own rejuvenation. These aren't just tips for a slightly healthier life, they are real strategies for turning back your internal clock. The future of feeling young isn't in some expensive, far-off clinic. It's in the choices you make, starting today.